slap me on the ass and call me Josephine.
All right, Josephine. I ain't slapping your ass, though. What up, YouTube family?
Hello.
It's Bonnie.
And I am Brandon.
And we are Muck If You Buck.
Hey.
Muck If You Buck.
Hey. All right, today we have some good old-fashioned Krave Funnel Cakes.
It is for our Valentines edition.
Yes, we are celebrating love this year. We have our pink. Bonnie have her bow on. We representing with a red. We got the red theme and the chocolate, and I'm just ready to
chow down. Yeah. So for our Valentines, well, let's get started since the ice cream's starting to melt.
Yeah.
We got from a local funnel cake place.
Yeah, Krave. Krave is off of I-10. And it looks like they have a lot of good stuff.
Yeah, what you got today?
Today I have the Lulu Bell.
You got the Lulu Bell. And what's on it is the strawberry, the cheesecake.
The strawberries, some whipped cream, some drizzle. Also, we have some chocolate here.
Yeah, we got some melted chocolate.
So for us to dip our goodness in. I think I'm going to give me a little dip.
And what I got today was the H-Town. And it is cookie dough. It is funnel cake with vanilla ice cream and chocolate drizzle. And also up front, we have the Dirty South, but we got it to represent that love we sending out.
That's right.
We got some strawberry drizzle instead of their chocolate for their Dirty South.
Yeah, we represent for the Dirty Third. But we had to get some love in there, so we got some red drizzle.
Oh,
now
man.
that H-Town there, it looks good. I almost ordered that for myself.
Ooh, we're sharing, dude. Right? I thought.
I would hope so. Because
I don't know.
I was just bringing it up because I was like, I know you're not gonna like hog it.
Oh man, dude.
No, you're not gonna hog it. It is.
Oh, we didn't even cheers today.
I know. We're off today.
No, well, we're just so excited because we have to drive. I'm taking some, by the way.
You know, we should got us a knife because I need clean cut. Give me a clean cut. You know what? I'm gonna get some of this H-Town. I'm gonna put a strawberry out here. Okay, you know we like our strawberries.
Strawberries. Oh man, why are you acting like you want clean cut? Oh wow.
Brian, you made a chocolate sauce, didn't you?
Yes. So we had a chocolate dipping sauce today.
What you use?
Man, I went to Aldi. I know you love Aldi because they got some affordable chocolate chips. And just heavy whipping cream and vanilla extract and a touch of salt. But you know, I'm not a big fan of that sweet and salty, so I didn't add a lot of salt to it.
Yeah, it's either hit and miss with you. Either all savory or all sweet, right?
Yeah, there's no hit or miss. It's just a miss if it's sweet and salty.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Okay, well, I'm enjoying it. I can't taste the touch.
That's the point.
No, you don't have to unadd some of this H-Town now. You can extend it with the H-Town. You didn't even touch the ice cream.
Man, you
Yep, I did it.
You just sloppy.
I am. It's so good, y'all. Man, it's so good. I'm trying to stay cool and keep my composure.
Why?
Because I go at this thing like the Tasmanian devil.
You should. This stuff is delicious. This stuff, I mean, funnel cake is not something to to be taken that lightly, right? You know what? Rarely do you ever get. I haven't ever seen funnel cake with cookie dough on it.
Nah, it's a good idea, right?
It is. And cheesecake. I feel like strawberries are a classic, especially at the fair. So that's where we normally get it, right?
Yep.
But the cheesecake, oh,
It's like a twist. It's like that twist, like the turkey leg cut twist. Like you get a turkey leg at the fair, but then you put some macaroni and cheese on there or some etouffee.
the Alfredo pasta. I know you don't like Alfredo as much.
Yeah. But
They do a good Alfredo pasta on their turkey leg. Man, why are you sloppy?
I am.
Ooh, man, there's so much sauce in here.
Easy to get lost in the sauce.
Lost in the sauce.
Lost in the sauce, baby.
Oh, they even drizzled some chocolate chips in this ice cream.
Oh, really? See, my left hand is just,
Everywhere.
man, gotta take the good hand.
Ooh.
I can't describe how good this is.
But you should try. I like the I normally don't like tartness, but the way the strawberry rolls with all the ice cream and the chocolate we're adding, man, this is like my third time trying to get this dang strawberry.
This sauce you made, it goes pretty well with this the strawberry you got. That's come with these this is Lulu.
I mixed up some dark milk and semi-sweet chocolate chips. Hey, let's not forget about that shake. You should try it.
We should try it.
We should try it. We gotta try it.
Let me get one more bite.
All right. Me too, then.
I swear, I am pleasantly surprised. The funnel is still like
Crispy.
It's not like soggy.
All right. I'm ready to try some shake. Go for it.
Let's shake it up.
Finally, now I can get some free access to this. Hogging up all your ass.
Look at all the shit on her lips. She's talking all that stuff. Now should I just go ahead on and
Just go ahead on, try it.
all right. Ain't nothing coming out yet. That's why.
You didn't put it deep enough. Why are you hiding that? You don't want to show people how you suck your milkshakes? It's thick, isn't it? It sounds thick.
There it is. It just had a whole bunch of peanut butter or whatever.
Really? Interesting.
Like dough. Something. Or the brownie. Because she stabbed the brownie. Try some of that. That is good.
I don't know if y'all can see. They even have like a little cookie chocolate rim on it.
Yeah. Like that lady, she really took her time. That was like some artistry. She really took her time and like hooked that thing up. Y'all, I tell you, when I tell you this is something that y'all should look into.
Ooh. Let's dip that brownie into that chocolate mix.
What you got going on? Hello, Mr. Brownie.
Ooh. Dang. I feel like the brownie legit getting lost in the sauce.
Yeah, legitimately. I lost some too. I tell you, this is cheat day to the extreme.
Mm-hmm. It's a live funnel cake, but it's so good.
It is so good. The ice cream is off the chain.
Mm-hmm. The ice cream held up pretty well too.
Mm-hmm. So we were speeding, trying to get back home because we wanted a good presentation for you guys.
Mm-hmm.
We didn't want the ice cream on the side, so we opted to get it on it. It was like, oh, we don't stay too far away, or you don't stay too far away.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Still, but it held up really well.
Mm-hmm.
And the funnel cake isn't soggy at all.
They did real well on this funnel cake.
Man, look.
Like, there's some texture to it. It's
Yo.
crispy. Even though it's sopping up all this ice cream sauce. I mean, man.
I can't get it.
This is better than any fair funnel cake you'll ever get.
Better. Way better.
On my way. On my way.
Bruh.
Good find. Good find. Ooh.
I just happened to see it on my way home.
Mm-hmm.
Go. Back to work. Bruh.
You feeling all right, buddy?
Look, we usually finish our food.
It was a lot, though.
We take it down. I'm telling you. I ain't saying that it's whipping my ass. But it got hands.
It got
This
hands.
nigga got hands, man. This is, jeez. As good as it is.
Yep. But, ooh, I just had a burp. And it took me a hot minute to get that one out. Ooh.
And we will say, we order regulars.
The juniors, I feel like, they're junior sizes and they're large of this. I feel like the junior was like a quarter size of this for almost $2 less.
Mm-hmm.
So it made sense
It makes sense.
to get the regular size. You gotta be economical with what you get, right?
Mm-hmm.
And man,
Make it make sense.
that's what I love about living in the South, is that I love the portion sizes down here. Like, whenever, like, especially when we go to, like, LA or California, their portion sizes are so small. I'm just like, man, what am I paying $20 for?
I feel like that's probably like the rest of the world, though.
What do you mean by that?
Well, I know, like, our soda cans here, 12 ounces, but they're like 8 ounces. And, like, some European countries, right, are a little smaller.
Yeah, I guess that's the case. I can't imagine, though. Could you, like, pay so much more?
I can understand it from a health standpoint.
Yeah, that's true. I mean,
But I'm an American. I'm a bleating American.
hey, I love my portion sizes. Especially, like, you don't have to eat it all at once. You can just always, like,
can
go
save
home.
it.
Yeah, take it at leftovers. Although some people don't like leftovers. I'm a big fan of leftovers, though.
That's an American thing, I think.
You think so?
I think so.
Oh man, I don't know.
Maybe. I don't know. I don't know enough other cultures to really put my finger on. Something as small as leftovers.
Oh man.
But I would imagine, because we just consumers.
Yeah, we are.
But
man, I can't imagine. If y'all like leftovers, don't like leftovers, let us know. Comment below.
Comment below. What's your favorite leftover? Mine, personally, is spaghetti. I made spaghetti on Tuesday.
Raw spaghetti? I know you like raw spaghetti.
Why you put my business out there? These people don't need to know all that.
If they saw the last video, they did. You slipped it up.
This one was cooked, but this one was cooked. Ooh, let me get some more of this.
Oh, yeah. Fill yourself up.
I am. Like.
The way his eyes just rolled, he's like, I am getting lost.
Yo.
In that milkshake sauce.
This is good, though.
Oh, man. I think this just beat me.
You know what? I think the hands won.
I think the hands won too.
The hands were faster than my bob and weave tactics. I couldn't duck the left hook that they was throwing. I had to tap out, man.
Tap out.
Where's the white towel? White flag. Where's
flag.
the towel? But
we
got some extra. We got some extra stuff to. How we gonna eat this? And not only that, we got cookies too. What were we thinking?
That is Valentines.
Wait. Since we didn't.
Oh, right. Boop, boop. All right. I like my ghetto marshmallows toasted. Or I like toasting my marshmallows that get away over the stove.
Your thoughts are just all jumping up there, huh?
This marshmallow is messing me up when it's so like
it's so
marshmallow. But we also got cheesecake, more cheesecake.
Oh boy. You're doing the love thing.
You got the chocolate chip cookies? Ooh.
I got the chocolate cookie.
Chocolate cookie. Is that you dancing?
No.
Or is that you roboting? Just kidding. It's you grooving to the the music of the sauce.
You ever seen that video of that little girl? That's a little toddler. She do her shoulders like that.
No, I haven't.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not very good with my shoulders. Hold on.
And she had the shoulder roll. I don't know what they said to her. They tell her to do something, and she smiles.
Alright, where that cookie at?
Which one you want? Cause we got raisin.
I'll take this one.
Okay.
There ain't no raisin in here.
This is not raisin?
No, it's chocolate chip.
For real? Well, slap me on the ass and call me Josephine.
Alright, Josephine. I ain't slapping your ass, though.
What made me say that? I was sitting though. Like the wheels was turning. I gotta say something. Slap you on the ass.
I'm Josephine.
Who is Josephine?
Where did this come from? Is this an idiom? Or did you just make that up? Did you just pull that out of thin air?
I just say some shit. It ain't a real idiom. I mean,
You know,
and people say stuff like, slap me. Oh, you know, something along those lines. Well, I'll be damned kind of lines.
I know, but it's like, where'd you get Josephine from?
That's my question. Who knows what's going on up here?
I don't know. You know how I feel about them idiots.
I be lost in the sauce a lot, too. I understand the brownie. Sometimes I feel like the brownie. And life is the chocolate sauce cup. And I'm just lost. Floating.
Just caught and lost in the sea, apparently. All right. Well,
Oh, man.
I guess that's us tapping out.
This is the look of defeat, y'all. I really wish we could have finished this for y'all. Because I think it would have made for a better video. But it is what it is.
We got a lot of sweet stuff today.
My God. And we're going to be running, doing jumping jacks, jump rope, cardio, squats, all that. For the rest of the week.
Oh, man. Talk for yourself. I ain't doing jack.
Yeah, you got the milkmaid over here. But I ain't telling. Ain't no saying.
All right, y'all.
Thank you, YouTube family, for checking in with us and
joining us on this lovely day.
We hope you got something from this. Now, if anything, you guys should check out the Krave store. It's really good, and I was very satisfied.
It was a delicious one. All right, y'all. Sending y'all love for Valentine's Day.
Thank you. Bye. Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.